Namaste everyone. I'm Amit Namdev, yoga teacher from India. I have been teaching yoga now for 13 years. I'm going to offer a yoga teacher training which will have 4 elements covered. So we will be doing asana practice, meditation, pranayama and relaxation. This 4 weeks progressive yoga teacher training will allow you each week to study on different subjects on the way for you to become a successful yoga teacher. For instance, the first week we will be studying to practice the corrective yoga techniques so that you can feel how does it feel to be in a correct position. Second week will be about learning how to adjust and correct others in a yoga class. Third week will be the practicing the art of hands-on adjustment so that you can feel how to reach the person and when and where to press them so that they can get as much as benefit from a yoga class. The fourth week will be about teaching, as it says yoga teacher training. So the fourth week will be covering for you to be teaching a yoga class. So whole week we will be studying and learning and teaching for being a yoga teacher. This training will be a safe and comfortable environment for you to study. We take small amount of students so that we can focus on each student easily. If you have any queries, question, feel free to write me and I will be happy to assist you with all your questions and help you on the journey for you to become a successful yoga teacher. So feel free to write me and I hope to see you in the yoga teacher training. Namaste.